Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I have a gifted box from Craftyfox251. She has a shop on Etsy, she has Instagram, and she's just made a channel here on YouTube. She hasn't put up anything yet, but I'm sure she will do soon. Anyway, received this little box this morning. I have cut open the box. I've not looked inside, so I don't know what is inside it. I'm sorry if you can hear the kids screaming. I swear they went back to school, but clearly not where I live. And I did shut the windows, but they're so loud you can still hear them, so excuse them. Kids will be kids and all that. Right, onto the box. Let's open this. Ew, I love these stickers. I think they're the cutest. Let me move this. So, we have a note. So here is her logo. Welcome to Craftyfox251. So here is her Etsy store. She's changed her paper. I think her writing was here and the fox was there. Anyway, so there is her Etsy store, her Instagram. She's also on Facebook and on YouTube. So I will leave the link to all of these where you can find her. My fingers are throbbing. God. Yeah, and I'll also put her YouTube so you can go check her out. So she's put most prices on the back so I can tell you. Oh, she's given me a few. I've got a little collection going on. Where's my... I've got these other ones that she gave me. Oh God. My finger is killing me. So thank you for them. I'll stick them with my other stickers. Right. So I have some water decals, flower water decals. These are 25p each. I mean, where are you going to find prices like this? You're not, are you? They're cute. So we've got some blue roses, and then there's some birds. Really cute. And then we have some some more flowers, some poppies, pretty. Well, that's a lovely that's a lovely colour, like plummy colours. They're roses. I don't know what they are. Are they foxgloves? Beautiful. That's a lovely colour. Very pretty. Thank you very much. Did I say this was gifted? It was gifted. Okay, then we have some glitters. I will do swatches. This is pretty. This is called Mermaid. Now this is 95p. I think they're 5g bags. I mean, the prices are just insane. So this is a gold glitter. We're not really going to see exactly what's inside until I swatch it, but I can see some holographic large hexagons and there's some smaller ones, and I think there is some mylar in there as well. Pretty. Then we have baby blue. Okay, so this is a fine glitter, a white and a blue, and then there is some iridescent iridescent hexagons, and then there are some hearts, and there's some cut out hearts and mylar. I love a bit of mylar. Then we have fairy dust. So this is a fine white glitter, and then it's got some pink. Yeah, there's some pink in there. And then we have some stars. And like a cerise or purple mylar in there. Am I showing you? Probably not. That's pretty as well. Like I say, I will do swatches. I need to move my foot because it's going to fall asleep. And then, oh, these are 95p each. Then we have a key ring. It's called Under the Sea collection. And this is £1.50. I think she made these out of resin. He's beautiful. Look at the colour of him. I'm not even showing you. I'm like, yeah, look at the colour of him. Oh, he's beautiful. I'm not sure you're going to see that up on camera. Yeah, you can see here on his tail. Like a royal blue. And then there's some glitter running through it. Oh, he's so beautiful. And then we have this little tassely thing. That's cute. Thank you very much. Oh, my fingers are throbbing. Oh. Then some more water decals, I guess. Keyring, flower, water decals. I'm assuming these are 25p each. Look at these. Some Easter. Oh God. Some Easter water decals. They are so cute. Love the colours. Really, really cute. And then these ones. I think I have these. I think I've got these ones I got from Charlie's. But all the same, they are very cute. And then these ones. They are just adorable. I love those. So thank you very much for those. And then we have some metallic hearts. These are 85p each. Ooh, look at those. Very pretty. God, and there was a shitload in there. I don't want to swear there, but I couldn't think of another word. A hell of a lot, let's say. Oh, there's some I can see a few iridescent ones in there as well. Very pretty colours. Thank you very much, April. Did I say the price? 85p. Then we have a glitter bag. How exciting. I laugh because if you all know, I love me some glitter. Let me move back out a bit. Yeah, if you know me, I have a problem when it comes to glitters. This mystery bag is £5. So, I don't want to ruin your stickers. Wow. You get a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 glitters for £5. Right now I can't do the maths. I can't do the math. My finger is killing me. That's my excuse. Okay, so, they're not named. That's fine. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is very pretty. It's an iridescent glitter. Two size hexagons in there. So it's like a pink and then a lighter pink. Is it though? I'm so sorry, my eyesight is so bad, I can't even see what colour it is. I know that's definitely a pink. I don't know if that's a really light pink or clear. I don't know, but all the same, it's very pretty. Yeah, how long are we? 13 minutes. I'm gonna have to do a part 2. Yeah, I'll have to do a separate video on swatching these because the video is long. Okay, so this is a metallic silver, or is it a grey? I think it's a grey. So again, this is 2 size hexagons. So you've got the large hexagons and then you've got the really small ones. That's a gorgeous colour. I don't think I have any grey glitters. Or is it a silver? No, I think it's a grey. I am the worst person to describe glitters when I just clearly can't see. Okay, so we have this beautiful one. Wow. So we have really small, that is so pretty. Okay, so here you're seeing a fine cerise pink and a blue. And then there are some small holographic, yeah, it's holographic, even these, the small fine glitter. Here's a bit of a mix up. That's really pretty. And then we have like a metallic fine glitter, and then there are some large iridescent hexagons. That's really pretty. What I will do I will ask April if she's going to be named, or she'll obviously be naming them. I'll ask her what the names of these are, and then I can tell you what they are. So if they're not up on the website already, I can let you know what they are. Oh Lord, look at this one. This is beautiful. So this is a metallic pink and a baby blue. Beautiful. I love this one. So we have some large and small hexagons. That's really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. I have one glitters very similar to this. So we have, wow, there's a lot in this one. So we have like a purpley pink fine glitter, and then like a baby blue that shifts into a pink to a green, iridescent glitter. That's very pretty. There's so much in that. And then lastly we have a green. There's like larger hexagons and then smaller ones. Okay, so there's some clear clear hexagons, and I can see a very tiny dusting of fine glitter. And them smaller hexagons, they shift from a pink to a green. That's really, really pretty. I don't have that many green glitters. Oops. So I will have to come back to do a part 2 of swatching these. I will also find out from April the names of these, so I can pop them up on screen when I swatch them. So yeah, thank you so much, April. I really, really appreciate you sending me all these. I love them all so much. Really, really lovely. Glitters are gorgeous. This one is standing out to me. That one's really, really beautiful. And then these ones, so cute. I can't wait to swatch them because you can't really tell what's in them until they're swatched. Do you know what I mean? Beautiful. Right, I am off. Thank you all so much for watching. Check my description box because you will find all of April's socials and whatnot in there. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for watching. Take care of your beautiful selves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.